doing slime pet peeves, so let's get started. Pet peeve number 1, when they only poke in one space. Gets very boring in time. They poke in one finger, with one finger, and they don't even make a click sound. Don't look! They have slime all over their hands. When it takes them forever to get everything. So here we have some slime. I don't think I'm going to be taking it out very often. I just want to like keep it in there. So let's take off the lid. Oh god, this is taking forever. Why is the magic not working? So they're good. The magic worked. So here it is. Like look inside it. Hopefully it won't get out very soon. So here it is. Yeah, and it was glory. Let's take it out. Let's actually finally take it out. I don't think I'm really keen on this, so let's just wait for a while. At the bottom. I like how it's decorated. It's like little moons on it. Okay, let's take it out. 3, 2, 1. So here it is out the thing. So I'm not gonna be touching it. So bye guys. One who takes it out but never plays with it. Ew, what did my mom get me? Jesus. Here it is. Bye guys. There are many noises in the background. Right now, Jimmy. Why? 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 I can't even see the slime. This is very hard slime, but I sort of got it. It'll get better. Focus.